Hi guys, welcome back. I have another nail tutorial for you. It's this mustard blue and black leaf fall design that I did using one of my fall favorites. And the polish that I'm featuring is this Mustard the Courage from China Glaze. It's new from their fall collection. It's a gorgeous mustard color. I'm also using Essie Licorice and then Alpaca My Bags from OPI, and that's also new this fall. The brushes that I'm using are my Winstonia brushes. I always use these. I buy them on Amazon. I'm using the striper one and the really fine one. So I've done 2 coats of all these polishes on my nails, and I'm going to go ahead and get into the nail art now. So I'm just using this striper brush here to do this leaf. I'm going to make an outline of it, and I can change this shape later, but I'm going to make a general outline and then fill it in, and then I can kind of get an eye of how I need the rest of it to kind of balance out. So I did want this a little bit pointier, so I used my brush to do that, and then off camera a little bit I reshaped it when I could look at it at a different direction. So just kind of look at it and fill it in until you get the shape that you want. And then I'm going to do a mustard leaf over here, a different style of leaf, and I'm just going to do again the outline and then fill that in. When I'm finished using this color, I'm going to clean my brush off in some acetone. I drop a little bit of polish onto a silicone mat and then I dip into it with my new color. So right now I'm using licorice. I'm going to do another leaf here, and then I'm going to do another one on the other side. I just want to keep the look nice and balanced while still keeping some open space between each leaf. So my mustard leaves are drying while I'm painting this black, so when I'm done with that I'm going to come in with the black and do the detailing on the mustard leaves since they're dry, and I'm going to do that on both of those. And then I'm going to come in with acrylic paint after I've cleaned my brush off. I like to use acrylic paint when I can for designs just because it's a little thinner, it's a little bit easier to work with, it doesn't dry as quickly, but it does dry well on the nails too, and it generally doesn't streak, so it's kind of nice that way too. I'm just going to do these. I did get this one a little bit thick, and that's okay if you do that. I'm going to let that dry and come back with the black and just make that look a little better. Now I'm just going to fill in these random dots. I'm doing them in various sizes, just in the spaces that I want to, the way that I think it looks nice. And I don't think I showed you here, but you can kind of see how I fixed up that leaf where I got that a little too thick. So that's the final look. When you're done and everything is dried, you can come in with your favorite top coat. I know I say the same things over and over again, but I'm using Glisten and Glow top coat. It's my favorite one. And I'm just going to let that dry. That's the final look. What do you guys think about that? I hope you guys try this design. I kind of like the uniqueness of this mustard polish. Give me a thumbs up if you like this, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks!